Hello there. Are you looking to blur your video's background on Skype calls? Look no further. Here is a simple step-by-step tutorial for achieving this effect. First, search for the AI Webcam Effects extension and add it to your Chrome or Chromium-based browser, such as Microsoft Edge. Once you have downloaded and installed the extension, navigate to Skype Web Client and join a meeting. Once your webcam preview opened, start call, open the AI Webcam Effects settings and turn on the extension. If you're using the extension for the first time, select the quality profile to ensure that the extension detects you on video much better. To blur the background, select the None option for the background and turn on the Blur feature. Now, you can enjoy a blurred background in your video. Also, the AI Webcam Effects extension allows you enhance your video with many different ways. That's it for our simple tutorial. We hope you enjoy using the AI Webcam Effects extension.